All right, sir. So here's what I am seeing. This is the little brownie wall, what I would consider it, or the space to the left, which is now Lansing's. You got a couple holes here. You got a couple of smacked pieces here. You have a large section right there. Pardon me. A couple of other repairs. That section of wall's been pushed. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that's their new office up in the front here, and this is in the warehouse. So I'll go to the other side to look at it. Now, this is the American Tire. So the wall that I'm facing here is 8169. Now, our numbers are actually, these are Lansing. Now, I have touching up all of these walls. And it's at the base, and it's all the way up. I also have tape coats on anything that does not have a tape coat on it. So take a look at this, sir, and let me know.